Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In the last video I showed you how to look for media and watch media using VLC. In this video I'm going to show you how to look at audio. So we're going to be looking at an audio file and how to open it with VLC. Similar to the last, if you do not have the VLC application already, look on this YouTube channel. You will see video tutorial with a variety of methods showing how to download and install app on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV. And if you find any of those videos insightful, drop a like, comment, and share the videos with somebody who may need them. There's a lot of videos on other apps that you may be also interested in. So check that out. And when you're done, click on the VLC app to get into it. Scroll on your app drawer and you find the VLC app. Click on it just like this, and you're in. Now go to browse and you find the particular audio you're looking for. In this case, I know my audio is under downloads. I will come to the internal memory and scroll down looking for my audio. So eventually you find downloads, and this is my audio of choice right here. It's 2.65 kilobytes, and double clicking on it or just clicking once gets it to start playing. So if you found value in this one, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.